Hi, Carrie McCoy from Avcom Solutions, and today I have the Plantronics EncorePro headsets from Poly with me. These headsets are the suggested replacement to the discontinued Super Plus headsets, and I have a few features to share with you that I think you're really gonna like. These headsets are not only extremely durable, they're very lightweight for all-day wear. So if you're on the phone 8 or 9 hours a day, and then the same headsets are being used for the next shift, they're durable enough that they can handle any kind of use. So they have aircraft grade aluminum. They also are laser welded between the ear speakers and the headband, so you're not going to see breakage. Another great durability feature is the unibody construction of the microphone boom. It's one piece. Now in the EncorePro 500 series, this is a flexible mic boom. And so you can adjust that to get that mic boom within 2 finger widths away from your mouth for the best placement and voice pickup. These are noise canceling microphones, and they will block your background noise so that your caller hears just you and not your coworkers. Another differentiator with the EncorePro 500 series is the EncorePro 540, which is one headset and 3 wearing styles. Right now it has the ear hook style on. I'll take that off and show you the neckband wearing style, which can be customized to be either on the right or the left. And that's simply a matter of removing this piece and placing it on that side. It also comes with an over-the-head band wearing style, and that can also be worn on the right side, or by rotating the mic boom, it can be relocated on the left side. So the EncorePro 540 is great for giving your staff some options during the day if their wearing style just isn't comfortable and they need to change it out. That's a possibility, and it's a super simple way to do that, just with this clip here. Also within the EncorePro 500 series are the 510, which is a single ear, and the ear cushion looks similar to this, and the EncorePro 520, which is the dual ear. These ear cushions are foam, they're generously sized, very comfortable to wear all day, and the headband is easy to adjust here at the top. Next, we have the EncorePro 530. It looks like this, and it is only the ear hook. And then, of course, the 540 that I spoke about earlier. We have on the 700 series side, this series is a little bit more elegant looking. It has a satin finish. A unique feature of the EncorePro 700 series is this telescoping mic, and you can really position that mic to be where you need it for precise placement. Another feature with this mic boom is that it rotates in and out. You would not be able to adjust it like you would the 500 mic because it is not flexible. It has a soft leatherette ear cushion and also a very comfortable headband. The EncorePro 720 has dual ear and also the telescoping microphone. So all of these headsets are ending in a quick disconnect. This is the Plantronics quick disconnect. To connect it to a desk phone or a PC, you will need to purchase a bottom cable or an amplifier. And we can help you determine exactly which cable or amplifier you need for your unique setup. These headsets all have a 2-year warranty, so you have peace of mind. If you have any questions about these headsets, please reach out to us. I will link all of these products below this video, and they will link directly to our website so you can take a look at them. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.